Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's collaboration we are going to be preparing different types of drinks. In Rukia's channel you're going to be seeing a passion and mango smoothie, as you can see on the screen, and in the channel of Mapishi Zanzibar we are going to be seeing Oreo milkshake and iced coffee. So please do check my description box for the links. So guys, in my video we are going to be making Oreo and Kitkat milkshake, and these are our ingredients. So basically you need Kitkat. I have 2 packs of Kitkat. I have Oreo biscuits, I have that 1 pack, and I have ice cubes. That's my Oreo. You're not going to use all of it. Then over here I have vanilla and chocolate ice cream. I have 2 glasses of milk. Over here I have whipped cream, and I have chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce from Dairyland. And yeah, this is basically what we are going to need for our milkshakes today. So guys, the first step, I'm going to take my glasses, the milkshake glasses that I'm going to be using. Then guys, over here I have my chocolate sauce, and I'm just going to pour it inside my glass as I turn my glass. We don't want it to be like all over the glass. We just want it to be like sprinkled in some of the areas of the glass, like that. Then I'm going to put my glass inside the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to repeat the same process to the other glass. Just as you can see on the screen guys, I don't know if I'm explaining well, but I'm sure the video is clear. So the reason why I put it inside the fridge is for it not to melt all over the glass, for the patterns to remain like that. So yeah, freezer, put it inside the freezer. So we are going to start with our Kitkat milkshake. I'm going to use about 3 scoops of ice cream. I put inside there. So guys, you can either use vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream, or you can also use the mix, but you can't use strawberry ice cream. Then the next step, I'm putting in my Kitkat. I used like 4 bars, and I'm going to break them inside my blender. And I also added some ice cubes, like 4 ice cubes, and I added like 1.5 glass of milk. Yeah. Then we are just going to blend that, and this is how our glass is looking with the chocolate syrup. As you can see, it didn't melt all over the glass, so that was what we are looking for. Now over here my milkshake is well blended, and I'm just going to pour it inside my glass, just like that. It's really easy guys, there's nothing more to this. So this is my whipping cream. I put it inside a piping bag, and I'm just going to decorate the top part of my milkshake. This is not a must, but it's really tasty and makes your milkshake look like really professional, you know. So just like that. Then I crushed some Kitkat bars, and I'm just going to use them as sprinkles on top of my milkshake. So on top of your whipped cream you're going to sprinkle some Kitkat, just like that. Then I have this 1 bar. I cut 1 bar into 2. I'm going to put 1/2 inside my glass. Now guys, to the next one is our Oreo milkshake, and I lost a footage. So basically I just added 3 scoops of my ice cream. I added like 6 pieces of Oreo biscuits, just like broke them into pieces and put them inside my blender. I also added 4 ice cubes and 1.5 glass of milk. And now guys, we are just going to blend this. So this is how our second glass is looking, as you can see. And you're just going to repeat the same process. You're going to pour it inside your glass like that. Yes. So that's our Oreo. Then the next part, we are going to take our whipped cream again, put it inside a piping bag, and use it to decorate the top part of your milkshake, just like that. And our next step, I'm going to be crushing some Oreo biscuits, and we are going to use them as the toppings of our milkshake, just like we did on the Kitkat one. So just the same, guys. I hope you've enjoyed my videos. Please make sure you try this. It's really yummy. This was our end product. You can see the Oreo and the Kitkat milkshake. Comment down below which one is your favorite. And I hope you've seen how easy it is to make milkshake at home. This was really delicious, guys, trust me. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment and a like. Bye, guys. See you in the next one.